Hey friends, welcome in. I'm Cessna, your Punta Gorda real estate agent. Today we have a treat for you. We have a brand new listing located in South Punta Gorda at the community of Tropical Golf Acres. Now you have the feel of living in the country, but being close and convenient to everything. If you love enjoying the stars at night, you can enjoy them from your very own swim spa. Love the feel of living in the country? This may be the home for you. This stunning home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, and has almost 1,500 square feet of living space under air. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice when you pull up is the lush tropical landscaping, the decorative fence, and the long driveway. As we enter the welcoming entryway, you will notice the open floor plan with large granite countertops on the huge kitchen peninsula, premium stainless steel appliances, white shaker cabinets, and even a pantry, and lots of room to move around. The great room is perfect for entertaining with large windows, letting in plenty of natural light. The home boasts many premium upgrades, including luxury lighting and fans, instant hot water dispenser, upgraded custom window blinds, recently freshly painted throughout, a beautiful accent wall in the primary bedroom, and dual vanities in the primary ensuite. Moving to the backyard, you will discover a large Trex deck for entertaining guests, a black chain link fence encompassing the whole yard for your pets, and even a swim spa. Enjoy the best of both worlds, a morning swim and an evening of stargazing from your spa. This home demonstrates true pride of ownership, as the current owners have maintained this home superbly. Interest rates have you waiting to buy? You have the option of assuming the current VA loan with an interest rate of just 4.875%. This is a great way to keep your payments much lower. Now, if you're looking for a peaceful Florida retreat with close proximity to I-25, Punta Gorda, Cape Coral, Port Charlotte, and Fort Myers, this is the home for you. Contact me to learn more about this home and the community of Tropical Golf Acres. Hit the link below to contact me and learn more. Okay, let's jump inside and take a look around. Wow, what an amazing home. If you've been dreaming of owning a piece of Florida sunshine and tranquility, this may be the home for you. This home offers peace and tranquility in a country setting. And a big bonus is the amazing swim spa and all the upgrades throughout, plus the option to have a low interest rate, and you don't even need to be a veteran to assume this loan. I'm Barry Cessna, and if you're thinking about buying, selling, relocating, or investing here in Punta Gorda or Cape Coral, hit the link to schedule an appointment with me. You're also welcome to call, text, or email, and I aim to be a resource for you, making realty dreams a reality here in Punta Gorda.